I'm Brenda Sue Lansdowne, and this is the Be Sue Boutiques channel. We're so glad you checked us out. We have over 310 videos at this time and growing with a bullet because we put up a lot of new content lately and we intend to continue doing so. This is a jewelry making channel and we do a lot of kind of outside the box things, interesting things that maybe a lot of other people aren't doing. We do a lot of vintage looks. We do a lot of mixed media. We do a lot of painting on brass, manipulating of brass, cutting the brass, making it into other things. We work with pewter castings to make them into other things. We do so many things, resin work, wire, a lot of earrings on this channel, a lot of easy peasy earrings. Just, you got to browse down through and see. We use a lot of boho looks. Old check looks. We like to use organic materials like bone beads and clay and stuff like that. So there's a lot of fun going on here and a lot of unusual things. So we'd like to welcome you to come and see our videos. I've been doing this for now, in February, it's 11 years. February 2021, it'll be 11 years that I've been doing videos on YouTube. So if you scroll back through them, you'll see me getting older. But that's a good thing. Getting older is a good thing. And I've learned a lot in the last 11 years and I want to share it with you. So that's why you should tune in here every Friday. Is our goal to have a new video for you every Friday. It comes out about 6:00 p.m. EST. But that's not the only ones we do. Sometimes we'll put one out on Tuesday or on a Sunday night. Sometimes we'll have 3 videos in a week. But I can promise you for Friday night, unless it's a holiday week, and then it's like, why bother? So anyway, we hope you'll come and check us out. Like our channel, like our videos, subscribe to them, and if you want to leave me a kind comment, I would surely appreciate it. Kind comments are like gifts, and we work hard to bring these videos to you because we want you to have this knowledge. We want to share what we have learned with you. So if you can give us a little like, it makes our day. So thanks for coming, and start browsing through the videos. You're going to find some really great ones you're going to want to watch. Have a great day.